Hello, I'm Thalia, your educational avatar. I'm thrilled to be your guide in the world of educational leadership. In this knowledge clip, I will explore some key concepts of triple loop learning with you. Triple loop learning involves learning at 3 levels. It addresses not only the how question, but also the why question. Why did I do things the way I did? Additionally, it considers the what for question. What was the intention behind my actions? In single-loop learning, knowledge and behavior are expanded through input from the environment. The central question here is how we can improve our actions or our doing. Are we doing things correctly? However, to achieve deeper change, meta-learning is also necessary. We refer to this as double-loop learning. In this process, the reference framework for knowledge itself is revised. This framework consists of the assumptions, beliefs, and attitudes upon which our thinking and construction are based. Through reflection, we gain more insight into this reference framework, which is usually only implicitly present. This allows us to step out of our normal ways of thinking and become aware of our mental models. In double-loop learning, the central question is whether we are doing the right things. Triple-loop learning means that reflection occurs at the action level, the insight level, and the being level. This can lead to changes in doing, thinking, or being, but it is not a necessity. Reflecting on all 3 levels is, in itself, a form of triple-loop learning. Therefore, triple-loop learning is not only about the rules and procedures that play such an important role in single-loop learning, but also about the underlying insights and beliefs, or double-loop learning. Most importantly, it concerns your identity, values, principles, and personal mission and vision. As a result, it leads not only to different doing, but also to different thinking, which is necessary for innovation and different being. This change at the being level is essential for ensuring that a particular development is sustainable. Thus, triple-loop learning is an important tool for securing new developments. It can pertain to both the individual and the entire organization. Now, let me provide you with a practical example. Several times a year, a particular school analyzes its learning outcomes. During this process, the quality coordinator notices that some teachers do not always have the correct data and sometimes struggle to analyze and interpret the learning outcomes of their classes effectively. The school leader and the quality coordinator intervene to improve the analysis procedure. In this intervention, the following single-loop change process occurs. The quality coordinator now prints relevant graphs and tables for the teachers from the student tracking system, ensuring that everyone has the correct data. Then, she discusses the graphs and tables of each class with the respective teacher. The analysis at the school level is conducted by the school leader and the quality coordinator. During a team meeting, they then discuss their findings. This is where single-loop learning takes place. By adjusting the procedure, they aim to improve the quality of the analysis process. Reflection and change have occurred at the procedural level, with the central question being, are we doing things correctly? During a lunch break, the quality coordinator spoke with a teacher about the work pressure experienced by the quality coordinator. The analysis of the learning outcomes improved with the new procedure, but individually guiding the teachers in their analysis took a significant amount of her time. The teacher indicated that colleagues greatly appreciate the individual support from the quality coordinator, but also wondered aloud if the process could be made more efficient. Additionally, she observed some unintended side effects. For example, because the quality coordinator now provides everything ready-made, the teachers are not learning to extract their data from the student tracking system. According to her, it might be worth considering making teachers responsible again for collecting and interpreting the relevant data and formulating follow-up actions based on that. Since some colleagues are not yet very skilled in this, it would be beneficial to do this by grade level. Colleagues could then help each other and learn from one another. The quality coordinator could be available on call to provide support. In a subsequent team meeting, each teacher could present their findings and intended actions at a high level. The quality coordinator and the respective teacher brought this proposal to a team meeting, where the team agreed to experiment with this approach. After working this way once, the evaluation showed that everyone was very satisfied. Sometimes teachers encountered challenges, but they could always rely on the expertise of the quality coordinator. Colleagues indicated that because they were now somewhat compelled to take initiative themselves, they were much more conscious of the analysis process and their follow-up actions were more thoughtful and realistic. They also expressed a desire to expand this new approach to other topics or issues. This is where double loop learning occurs. Now, there is meta-level thinking about the purpose of the activity, the collaboration process, and the learning process. It is recognized that jointly analyzing learning outcomes can also serve as a professional development strategy, and that by making teachers responsible again, ownership is increased. This allows them to better utilize their professional space. There has also been consideration of transfer to other application areas. The central question here was, are we doing the right things correctly? This is where triple loop learning occurs. The school leader has become aware of the importance of providing professional space and trust, and he genuinely wants to act on this. This reflects a change at the level of principles, values, and beliefs, which can lead to sustainable change due to intrinsic motivation. This internalization is a crucial condition for process assurance. Finally, a useful tool for reflecting on triple loop learning might be the following sentence. You can use this sentence on a notepad to explore how your own triple loop learning has progressed. If you want to study this sentence thoroughly, please pause for a moment. In this list, you can see which sources I consulted while creating this knowledge clip. This was my explanation of triple loop learning. I hope my explanation has been helpful to you. See you in the next knowledge clip.